Hi, welcome to my channel. So how do you solve this integral? This is an MIT Integration B of 2025 regular season. So please subscribe to my channel for more of this content. So let's solve this integral. So we can really start off by recognizing that if we have e raised to the power x, this one using the series, the Maclaurin's expansion. So this is going to be, let's say, k running from 0 to infinity of x raised to the power k divided by k factorial, right? This is how we can expand e raised to the power x using the Taylor's or the Maclaurin series. So if we have e raised to the power, let's say 2025x here. So nothing changes here. So this is just going to be what? So this is going to be the summation from k running from 0 to infinity of 2025 x, all this one raised to the power k divided by what? K factorial, right? This is how this one can be expressed in terms of the Maclaurin series, that is using the Maclaurin series expansion. And really, if you let k to be equal to 0, this 1 raised to the power 0 is going to be 1 over 0 factorial is 1. So the first term is really going to be 1 plus the summation from k running from 1 to infinity of 2025x. Now 5 is not written well. 2025x raised to the power k all over k factorial, right? So e raised to the power 2025 x, e raised to the power 2025x minus 1 here is really going to be the summation from k running from 1 to infinity of 2025x raised to the power k all over k factorial, right? So in place of this summation running from 1 to infinity of this one, which is in our integrand, that is this, I am going to replace that with this one and then hope for the best. So that is how this one can be solved. So I here is going to be the integral from 0 to 1 over 2025 of, so in place of this one, I am going to replace that with this, which is e raised to the power 2025x minus 1, like this, and that one times this e raised to the power negative 2025x times e raised to the power negative 2025x, like this, all this one dx. So this is how our integral can be simplified, and then we have I to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 over 2025, and we can now multiply in with this, which is the first one will give you 1 minus e raised to the power negative 2025x dx, and we are now ready to integrate. So integrating 1 is x minus integrating this one is differentiating the power, which is 1, which is 2025 negative 2025, and you divide. That is going to be dividing by negative here. That is going to be positive 1 over 2025 e raised to the power negative 2025x. We are done with the integration. We take the limits of integration from 0 to 1 over 2025. And we are almost there. So you plug in our upper limit 1 over 2025 plus 1 over 2025 e raised to the power negative 2025 times 1 over 2025. This is the upper limit minus the lower limit. This will be 0, and this one is e raised to the power 0, which is 1. So the lower limit will actually evaluate to just 1 all over 2025. And this one will cancel up with this one. So in the end, we have I to be equal to 1 all over 2025 e raised to the power negative 1, because this and this will also cancel, which is equals to 1 all over 2025 times e. So this is the value of our integral. So if you really find this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more engaging content from Calculus Diaries. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.